Morning students, today we have discussed about the application of VB theory. The previous class also, what is VB theory and its postulates, that is clearly explained. Then we have studied about the application. So this theory is used to find out the hybridization, structure and magnetic character of the complex, any coordination compound. By taking example, nickel carbonate is a complex. So what is the hybridization takes place in this complex? What is the structure for this complex? What is the magnetic character, whether it is paramagnetic or diamagnetic? So to find out these, first you know the oxidation state of central metal atom. Oxidation state of central metal atom. Central metal atom or ion. And also the type of ligands, whether the ligand is strong ligand or weak ligand. What are the strong ligands? CN, CO, EN, ammonia, NH3, strong ligand. The weak ligands are F minus, Cl minus, H2O. These are weak ligand. These are weak ligand. Weak ligand. Weak ligands. This is strong ligand. Strong ligands. Strong ligands. So first you know what is the central metal atom, what is the type of ligands, then what is the oxidation state of central metal atom, what is the oxidation state. To find out the oxidation state, what is the charge of nickel is say X to be find out. The 4 CO, 4 into the charge of CO, carbon is neutral ligand, so it is 0. So X plus 4 into 0 is equal to 0, X is equal to 0. Therefore, the charge of nickel is equal to, that is oxidation state. Oxidation state of nickel is equal to 0. Then write down the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of nickel. Electronic configuration of nickel. Nickel atomic number 28. So 1s to 2s to 2p6, 3s to 3p6, 4s to 3d8. 3d8. So this is the electronic configuration of argon. So argon, Ar, argon, 4s to 3d8. So normally the configuration of argon is doing out. Then what is the configuration? 3d8, 4s2. 3d8, 4s2. D orbital first podano, S orbital அடுத்து போடும். So nickel 28 electronic configuration 3d8, 4s2, 3p0. P orbital, no P orbital electron, so 0. 8 electrons are accommodated in the orbitals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 4s2. The nickel 3d8, 4s2 in nickel carbonate complex. So 3d8, 4s2, 4p0, 4p0. There is no electron. 4s2, 3d8. Then you note down the ligand. What is a ligand? CO is a ligand. It is a strong ligand. So these strong ligand pair up the electron. The 4s electrons are paired into 3d orbitals. So these two electrons are goes to the 3d. This one here, this one here. So nickel 3d. These two electrons are goes to 3d orbitals. So here 3d orbitals are completely filled by the CO, strong ligand. Then 4s empty orbital and 4p empty orbital. How many ligands are attached to the ligands? 4 ligands are attached to central metal atom. Therefore, nickel requires 4 empty orbitals. The central metal atom accommodate how many number of empty orbitals? That is equal to number of ligands. 4 ligands are 4 orbital empty. So 4 orbital it is available for making bond. What are the 4 orbital? One s orbital and p orbital. Only one s orbital and 3 p orbital. 1, 2, 3. 3 p orbital. S orbital 1, p orbital 3. So the hybridization is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. The CO ligand gives pair of electron to the 4 hybridization orbital. The CO வந்து 22 கொடுக்கும், 22 கொடுத்து it makes a bond. with a nickel carbonate. Here the hybridization is sp3 hybridization. What is the coordination number? 4 ligands are attached to the 4 ligands are making bond with the nickel. Therefore, the coordination number is 4 here. The coordination number is 4. It is a unit rate ligand. Therefore, coordination number 4. Number of ligand attached to the central metal atom. 4 ligands. So, coordination number 4. So, from this, we find out the hybridization. Nature of hybridization is sp3. The structure is tetrahedral. For sp3 hybridization, the structure is tetrahedral. It's already tabled. sp3 hybridization tetrahedral, dsp2 square planar, d2sp3 octahedral. So for sp3 hybridization, the structure is tetrahedral. Then what is the magnetic character? All the electrons are paired in nickel. All the electrons are paired in the d orbital. So there is no unpaired electron. So it is diamagnetic. So in this complex, we find out the structure, that is tetrahedral. The hybridization is sp3 hybridization, and magnetic character is diamagnetic. இதே மாதிரி நம்ம என்ன காம்பவுண்ட் நமக்கு கொடுத்தாலும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம், மேக்னெட்டிக் கேரக்டர் கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம், ஹைப்ரிடைசேஷன் கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம் பை யூசிங் த விவி தியரி. இன்னும் 2-3 எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம பார்ப்போம். ஓகே, example 2, another complex. So what is the hybridization and structure and magnetic character of this complex? So first you find out the central metal atom, that is iron. Then what is the oxidation number? Oxidation number of iron. Oxidation number. To find out the oxidation number or oxidation state of the central metal atom. Then what is the ligand? Cn is a strong ligand. Strong ligand. Then if I write down the electronic configuration of iron, that is Fe. Fe, atomic number 26. So argon 3d6, 4s2. That is electronic configuration. Then what is the oxidation number of iron to be find out? That is X plus 6 into -1. That is charge of Cn is -1. That is equal to, here the charge is -3. So X minus 6, that is equal to -3. So X is equal to +3. So +3 is the charge of the ion. So then the electronic configuration of EC. Electronic configuration of EC of iron 3+. Because the charge is 3+. So iron 3+ after losing the 3 electron. So iron வரும்போது 3d6 4s2. iron 3+ அப்படின்னா இதுல இருந்து ஒரு 3 எலக்ட்ரானை குறைச்சிக்கணும். ஸோ 4s2ல ஒரு 2 எலக்ட்ரான், 3dல ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான். ஸோ 3d5 அதில் ஒன்று குறைச்சாச்சு, இதில் 2 4s0. So this is the electronic configuration of Fe3+. So because the oxidation state of iron is, oxidation state is 3+. Oxidation state of central metal atom is, of iron is 3+. So 3 electron வந்து குறைச்சிக்கணும். Then write down the structure Fe3+, atomic structure 3d. d orbital normal 5 orbital 1 2 3 4 5. Then 4s, then 4p. p orbital 3 போடணும், px py pz. s orbital 1, d orbital 5 போடணும். 3d. d ல 5 டைப் இருக்கு. So 5 போடணும். dxy dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square, dz square. அது ஒவ்வொன்றும் ஒரு ஆர்பிட்டால். How many electrons? 5 electrons. So 1 2 3 4 5. 5 electrons for Fe3+. Then what is the nature of the ligand? The nature of the ligand, Cn is a strong ligand. So strong ligand. Strong ligand என்ன பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா, pair of the electron pair பண்ணி விட்டுரும். electron pair பண்ணி விட்டால் எப்படி மாறிடுது? For Fe3+, after making bond with the Cn. So it becomes paired. Fe3+ by the influence of Cn minus, the Cn minus ligand pair up the electron. So you are pairing, then totally 5 electron. ஸோ இது இங்கே வந்துடும், இது இங்கே வந்துடும், ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் அன்பேர்டு எலக்ட்ரான் இருக்கும். Then 4s, then 4p. So 3d 4s 4p. 3d ஒரு 5 எலக்ட்ரான், இது பேரிங் நடந்த பிறகு then 4s 0, 4p 0. Then how many number of ligands bonded to central metal atom in FeCN6? FeCN6 3 minus. How many number of ligands? 6 ligands. Therefore, the coordination number is 6. Coordination number 6 because it's a unit-ended ligand. Coordination number 6. Therefore, the ion requires 6 orbital for bonding for 6 cyanide ion. So 6 orbital irukka 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 orbital irukku. So these orbital undergo mixing, that is hybridization. It undergo hybridization to form D ல 2 இருக்கு. So D2, D ல 2 ஆர்பிட்டால், S ல 1 ஆர்பிட்டால், P ல 3 ஆர்பிட்டால். இந்த D வந்து 3D ஆ 4s அது கணக்கு கிடையாது. D ல எத்தனை? D ல 2. ஸோ D2. S வந்து 4s 3s அது இல்லை. S ல எத்தனை? 1. P ல எத்தனை? P ஆர்பிட்டால் 3. ஸோ D2 sp3 hybridization. D2 sp3 hybridization takes place in this complex. So D2 sp3 hybridization takes place in this complex. So what is the structure for D2 sp3 hybridization? The structure is octahedral structure. According to theory, sp3 tetrahedral, D2 sp3 octahedral, dsp2 அப்படின்னா ஸ்கொயர் பிளேனா. ஒவ்வொரு ஹைப்ரிடேஷனும் இந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் தான் அப்படின்னு டைரெக்டாக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. D2 sp3 that is octahedral structure. What is the magnetic character? So in this complex, after hybridization, there is only one unpaired electron is here. Therefore, it is paramagnetic. So in this compound, only one unpaired electron. Only one unpaired electron. Unpaired electron is there. Unpaired electron present in the d orbital, 3d orbital. So it is paramagnetic. Unpaired electron irundadna paramagnetic. Ellame pairing irundadna diamagnetic. Magnetic. The hybridization is D2 sp3 hybridization. The structure is octahedral structure. The magnetic character is paramagnetic character. Okay.